Hello everyone, Carmine from New York here with the Leica SL digital camera and a Leica lens many decades old that required 1, 2, 3 adapters to get it onto this camera and give you infinity and close-up photography. Let's go. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, comment below. I need your feedback on this lens after you watch the whole video and understand what the heck I'm talking about. There's a button on the bottom right below the screen that says thanks. Hit it. Why not? We're shooting in Staten Island today at a beautiful state park next to a lake. And that moaning you hear in the background is a giant bullfrog. Okay, so this is the Leica SL. You've seen it before. 24 megapixel, full frame mirrorless digital camera. Okay, check this out. This is the Leitz, L-E-I-T-Z. That's what Leica called their lenses before 1986. When they had a full revamp of the name, and they went with Leica. So that's how you know if your lens was made before 1986, if it says Leitz, L-E-I-T-Z. All right, so this is a 20 centimeter, which is a 200 millimeter f4.5 prime lens, made in Wetzlar, Germany, many decades ago. The build quality is exceptional. First, I picked it up for $150 US, mint plus condition. Clean lens. You hear the frogs? The aperture ring goes from f4.5 to f32. And I wonder, now I'll have to show you a close-up picture now of the aperture, how the blades are so beautiful. Check out this photograph right now. Okay, so the focusing is so smooth. It's like mayonnaise in the summer, just nice and smooth. It came with the Leica metal lens hood, but before we get into it too deeply, I have to explain what I said in the beginning. It took 3 adapters to get it to work on the mirrorless. Hey, shush. He wants to be on YouTube. Okay, so this first one next to the body, right, is a M42 on this end to Leica L mount on this end. It's a helicoid adapter. Okay, so you see as I turn it, it goes in and out. It helps with focusing, but more importantly in a lens like this, it gives you flange distance. Okay, next. This is right here, from here to here, this piece of black metal is an M42 to M42, just an extension tube. There's no glass in it, it's just a hollow tube that goes from M42 to M42. Now, on the lens itself, there is a ring, it's a small threaded ring, which brings this lens, which is native M39 or L39 mount, to an M42. It just brings you from 39, 40, 41, 42 to make it big enough to fit this M42 adapter. So 3 adapters, 1, 2, 3, to get it to work. To get everything from close-up, which really isn't that close. Close-up meaning 10 feet. That's the minimum focus, right? But you need a decent number of adapters to get from 10 feet to infinity, okay? And it was trial and error. I thought I was going to get away with just using the helicoid adapter, but I still needed this ring. Okay, the 39 to 42 adapter, they're like $1. It's just a piece of round metal which is threaded on the inside of the ring to 39 and the outside of the ring is 42. Okay, so this German lens is really pretty cool. First thing I want to show you is check out the lens of this object or subject shot wide open at 4.5. And then the very next slide will be it, the same exact photograph, just shot all the way stepped down to 32. So the rest of the photographs that I want to show you, they are of landscape scenes. Want to let you know a few things, being a photographer for 50 years. This camera, right, this Leica SL, loves autofocus lenses, just loves them. This isn't one, this is a manual focus. So, like not only Leica, but many modern cameras today will have focus peaking, right, which makes your manual focusing so easy. You just focus until the outline of what you want sharp lights up in red or green, and bang, you know you're sharp. Also, this camera has a magnifying button on the back. You press it and it takes a piece of the frame that you're looking at and it magnifies it so you can really focus in critically sharp. So now, the main question, do I recommend this $150 Leica lens? Yes, yes. Build your Leica glass collection. Remember, it will adapt to your Nikon, Canon, Sony, Fuji, any camera. Trust me, I have been using adapters for 50 years. Some of them, well, have one that I ordered from Ukraine that went from a Ukraine crazy mount to an L mount. It was custom made in a 3D printer. I'll put up a link below to the video I made on that. Incredible. So there's adapters out there for old vintage Leica glass, which they don't make them like this anymore. It really is a real thing. They don't make them like this anymore. Okay, guys. So subscribe, thumbs up, hit the thanks button on the bottom, and it's important that you subscribe. Thank you guys. Have a great day.